just creating new project. I choose JavaFX with supported Maven. So next, finish. Yes, I have new project. Hello application. I can start with this project. Oops. Yes, now it's ready. Hello application, and I can start to show a little frame. And just go. Scheiße. What's going on? Yes, hello. Welcome to JavaFX application. So, I have also POM with some dependencies, and I want to add one dependency, JSON library for JSON serialization. So I will add in this control. I will add JSON, it's GS, new JSON, and add Maven dependency. Yes, this JSON. So in POM, I can find, yes, this is this dependency. I know that I can add this dependency manually from Maven repository, but I tried to add this like in POM, Maven, refresh. I can reload several times. It just doesn't work. And now I will create new project, just Maven project. And in this Maven project, I will add a new package, for example DC, new class, for example main, public static void main, JSON, GS equals new JSON. More actions at Maven dependency. JSON. Yes. Alt enter. GS. To JSON. Simple, yes? But with JavaFX, it doesn't work.